Anong sinasabi mo about 2025?
There's gonna be dinosaurs. Yeah.
Dinosaurs?
Yeah.
Saan mo naman nakuha naman yun?
See, the scientists got some blood of the dinosaurs that were extinct, and they got some blood of it, and then they're trying to put that in other animals so they can make dinosaurs again.
Ah, talaga?
And they're gonna release it in 2025.
Oh, talaga? Saan mo nga ito nakuha? Saan mo ito nalang?
YouTube, Google.
Wow. YouTube, Google. Totoo, it's true. They will release it on 2025. Oh, wow. Thank you so much for your information.